Okay, the next question we're going to work on trying to figure out is how to factor the sum or difference of two cubes. Well, the first step you need to do is you got to identify that it is a sum or it is a difference of two cubes. And usually it's going to be set up something like this. Here we got an x to the third, and here we got a 27. Well, x to the third is a cube because it's to the third power, so that's just like that. But is 27 a perfect cube? Well, can we identify anything that's multiplied by itself 3 times that makes 27? Well, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 again is 27. So it looks like 3 is a perfect cube. 3 to the third is actually equal to 27. So we have a sum of two cubes. Well, once we have that, it's as easy as using these equations up at top, factoring the sum and difference of two cubes. And if you have a sum of two cubes, you're just going to use this equation right here. And if you have the difference of two cubes, you're going to use this equation right over here. So let's just take this x to the third plus 3x to, or plus 3 to the third, and just plug it into our a and b in this scenario. So if we were to do that, let's just take this down here and let's think about what this would be. We have a plus b. Our x is really, that's equal to our a, and our 3 is really equal to our b in this scenario. So we have x plus b times x squared minus a times b, which is really 3 times x, plus our b squared, which is, our b is 3, so since that's 3, we got 3 squared. And if I wanted to simplify this, oh, why did I put a b there? I put a b there. What was I thinking? That should be a 3. So, just to simplify this out quick, we have x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus, and this changes to a 9. And now it's completely factored using this formula right up here. Let's try it again with this formula right here. For the difference of two cubes, here we have x to the third. Well, we know that's the perfect cube. And here we have subtracting 1. Well, what to the third power is 1? Well, 1 to the third power is 1. So, in this situation, we know our a is equal to x, and our b is equal to 1. And we just plug it into this formula right here. Okay, so let's do that quick. We have x minus 1 times x squared plus x times 1 plus 1 squared. Bam. And so if we were to simplify this down, we have x minus 1, x squared plus 4x plus 1. And that's your final solution for factoring the difference of two perfect cubes.